Using integration, find the area of region in the first quadrant enclosed by the x-axis, the line y is equal to x, and the circle x square plus y square is equal to 32. So put y is equal to x and x square plus y square is equal to 32. That is x square plus x square is equal to 32. So 2x square is 32, x square is equal to 16, x is equal to 4. So in the area we'll get the answer as y inclusive dx plus y circle dx. The integration is 0 by 4 and 4 by root 32 respectively. So we'll solve it further, and we have drawn a circle with an angle of 45 degree with the radius 4, 0, with the radius 4 at the center of the axis. So after solving the equation, we'll get 8 pi minus 16 into pi by 4 as the answer, which is equivalent to 8 pi minus 4 pi, which is equal to 4 pi square minutes.